Good afternoon, Recon here with Techout, and today we're going to be talking about more updates or the lack thereof on my Galaxy S25 Ultra. We have One UI 7, of course. That's getting a little out of date here. We're on the February security patch, and it is mid-March now. So hopefully they update that with some of the updates we're looking for. Specifically, the battery health is the one I'm waiting on. I hope that comes to the US devices. It really only appears in Europe on the UK devices right now, apparently. Not too sure why that is still the case, but hopefully everybody gets that here soon. But as you can see here, the Google Play system update is still in October of 2024. And we got some updates. The past couple days, I got like 3 updates. One was like 1.4 megabytes, and then the other ones were super small, under a megabyte. And I did all 3 updates, and we are still on October 1st, 2024. So this is getting quite a bit annoying that we're so far behind. These updates are up to date with Google. They go all the way to March. Now, these may not pertain to all devices, but Samsung obviously can do some updating here to get us, to at least the past month or two, hopefully. But Samsung has not pushed any Google Play system updates yet. So we are still on October 1st of 2024 here on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, or sorry, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. So a little bit disappointing there. We seem to be lacking in the update department again. Samsung got kind of good with updates for a little bit, and with One UI 7, they seem to be lacking again. We're waiting, we're not getting the One UI 7 rollout on other devices starting until April 7th and April 10th in the US. So we're going to be having the update period, roll out April, May, probably June for some older devices and some lower tier devices. So it is taking a while to get One UI 7 out, and now it is also taking a while to get the Play System updates out. So hopefully with One UI 8, this does improve. It'll be a little bit smaller of an update, a little less to do. So hopefully they get that out over the summer with Android 16. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Have a great day.